Well, our blended family series is over. Blended family issues are not. Here is an issue that I would love to get your opinion on. I'm a stepmom. The bio parents are supposed to be using a court ordered app, but mom refuses to use or download the app. She was physically and mentally abusive to dad before they broke up. Mom calls dad 1 to 2 times a day with the dumbest questions, trying to keep it about the kids, and then bridges the conversation into relationship based questions. Dad answers because his kids are there, and he says if there's an emergency, he wants to make sure he answers. But every single time, mom starts to suck him in by asking, when is he going to come home and divorce me so that he can see his kids every day. She cries, she screams at him, she calls him a deadbeat dad for leaving his family. The behavior does not faze my husband at all, but I am over it. I'm angry. I'm annoyed at the things she's doing in front of these kids. For 2 years, they have been divorced and we have been married. And he says he can't make her follow the court order, and it's pointless to file for contempt over the app. She's using him as her emotional support animal every day. And I am trying to tell him that those calls mean more than he thinks. I'm exhausted. I'm Billy Tarasio. On my platform, we talk about family law. I'm an Arizona divorce attorney, and I own Win Without Law School, which is a national platform to help people who are representing themselves. So as you probably know, stepmom, this is a problem between you and your husband. You have no control over how mom acts. You really have no control over how your husband acts, but you can tell your husband that this isn't working for you and why. But if it's a boundary that you're going to set, you have to be willing to back it up. And what you might end up doing is telling him, listen, this really, really bothers me. It really, really bothers me. It bothers me enough so that at some point this will break us. And I need to know, is this worth it to you? Is it worth it to you to keep talking to your ex-wife every day about how much she wants you back? I would also suggest perhaps marital counseling between you and your husband. And then also I would ask what the parenting time schedule is, because why are the kids with her all the time? Is it possible that dad could have more parenting time? And would that alleviate some of this? So those are all the things that I would suggest you look into. What do you all think?